Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about crypto wallets and whether or not you need one if you're using Coinbase. Now, I know that crypto wallets can be a bit confusing, so I'm going to keep things simple and easy to understand. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear answer to the question, and you'll know what to do next. So, let's get started. What is a crypto wallet? A crypto wallet is like a digital bank account for your cryptocurrency. It stores your private keys, which are like the passwords that allow you to access your coins. There are many different types of crypto wallets, but the two most common types are software wallets and hardware wallets. Software wallets are stored on your computer or smartphone. They are easy to set up and use, but they can be less secure than hardware wallets. Hardware wallets are physical devices that store your private keys. They are more secure than software wallets, but they can be more expensive. Do I need a crypto wallet if I'm using Coinbase? The short answer is no, you don't need a crypto wallet if you're using Coinbase. Coinbase provides you with a secure wallet that you can use to store your coins. However, there are a few reasons why you might want to consider using a crypto wallet. One reason is that you want to have more control over your coins. Coinbase does not allow you to send or receive coins to other wallets. If you want to do this, you'll need to use a crypto wallet. Another reason is that you want to increase your security. Coinbase is a secure platform, but it's always a good idea to take extra steps to protect your coins. Using a hardware wallet is one way to do this. How to get a crypto wallet? If you decide to get a crypto wallet, there are a few things you need to do. First, you need to choose a wallet. There are many different wallets available, so it's important to do your research and find one that meets your needs. Once you've chosen a wallet, you need to create an account. This will usually involve providing some personal information, such as your name and email address. Once you've created an account, you can generate your private keys. These keys will be used to access your coins. Once you have your private keys, you can start using your wallet to send and receive coins. So, there you have it. Whether or not you need a crypto wallet depends on your individual needs. If you're happy using Coinbase, you don't need to get a wallet. However, if you want more control over your coins, or if you want to increase your security, you may want to consider getting one. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching. Until next time.